This is a super common issue, especially on older or reused drives. If you get that partition error, here's what to do. First, restart the Windows installation. When you're back on the language selection screen, press Shift plus F10. This will open up Command Prompt. Now, carefully type these commands, pressing Enter after each one. Diskpart, list disk, select disk 0, clean. Just a heads up, this will completely wipe disk 0, so make sure you don't have anything important on that drive. Once that's done, close Command Prompt and continue with the installation. Windows should now accept the drive and install normally. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more Windows tips, PC fixes, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or something didn't work for you, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.